Meet the Spark STEAM Kit Classroom Bundle, a ready-to-use, hands-on STEAM learning solution designed to bring STEAM to life in elementary classrooms. Each classroom bundle includes everything educators need: activities, materials, and facilitation guides, all aligned to NGSS and built for real classrooms. Today, we're opening the Grade 3 unit, Forces at Play. Inside the first box, you'll find the facilitator guide with clear, step-by-step instructions, support, and lesson objectives. You'll also find materials for the first lesson, Swing Swing Baby, in boxes 1 and 2. In this lesson, students explore motion, forces, and engineering design through hands-on experimentation. Everything is packed and ready to implement with minimal prep. The next box includes materials for the next 3 lessons, the first being Gymnast on a High Bar. Students explore mechanical motion by designing moving figures, learning how cams and rotation create predictable movement. Next, Black and White makes color. Through hands-on experimentation, students investigate visual perception, motion, and how movement can transform what we see. Lesson 4 is Static Merry-Go-Round. Students design spinning systems while exploring friction, balance, and how forces affect stability. Each activity combines engineering, science, and creativity, helping students test ideas, iterate, and learn through making. The final box contains materials for the unit's culminating experience, the Ultimate Playground Design Challenge. Students apply what they've learned about forces and motion to design, test, and improve their own playground concepts. With the Spark STEAM Kit Classroom Bundle, educators receive more than a kit. They get a complete STEAM experience. 5 hours of STEAM, 5 hands-on activities, materials for a classroom of 25. That's 125 total student activity hours for only $399, or around $3 per student activity. Visit raf.net/SparkSteamBox to learn more.